Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your hydration with Hydro Flask, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your hydration with a Hydro Flask, start by selecting the right size for your needs. Consider how much water you typically consume throughout the day. Hydro Flask offers various sizes, ranging from 12 ounces to 64 ounces. Next, choose your preferred color and design. Hydro Flask provides a range of colors to match your personal style. Once you have your bottle, familiarize yourself with its features. Note the insulation that keeps your beverages cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. Ensure you have a compatible lid that meets your hydration needs. Opt for the standard mouth for easy sipping or the wide mouth for faster filling and cleaning. Fill your Hydro Flask with your favorite beverage. For water, consider adding fresh fruit or herbs for a refreshing twist. Use filtered water for the best taste and quality. As you fill your bottle, remember to leave some space at the top. This allows for mixing in ice or other ingredients without spillage. When you're ready to go, securely close the lid. This prevents leaks while you're on the move. Keep your Hydro Flask with you throughout the day. Use it at work, the gym, or when you're out and about. To maintain the quality of your bottle, regularly clean it. Use warm, soapy water and a bottle brush for the best results. Avoid using bleach or other harsh chemicals that could damage the surface. Customize your hydration experience with accessories. Consider adding a straw lid for convenience or a paracord handle for easy carrying. Experiment with infused water recipes to make hydration more enjoyable. Stay hydrated during your outdoor adventures by pre-filling your Hydro Flask. Remember to hydrate before, during, and after your activities. Track your water intake to ensure you meet your daily hydration goals. With a Hydro Flask, you can elevate your hydration game wherever you go. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.